Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. Today we want to show you the Tusk High Fender kit for the iconic Yamaha TW200. There's two reasons why you would want this high fender kit for your T-Dub. First being, the stock fender, it sits super low, very close to your front tire, and it's really easy for mud to pack in there if you're riding in those types of conditions, which can be a safety hazard. So first big reason is you don't have to worry about packing mud between your tire and the fender. And the other reason is just looks. I think this high fender kit on the TW200, I think it looks awesome. And there's actually two options available. So when you buy this, the bracket is made from powder coated steel. It's just gonna mount using the factory bolts that you have on your T-Dub, but there's two fender options. If you want to continue using your stock fender, on the drop down you'll see that there is a stock fender option, and then with that version you'll actually have a couple extra brackets that will come included that you mount the stock fender to, and then it just bolts right on. The other option is right here, and that is with the Cherby Super Motard front fender. So a more aggressive, stylish look to it, and with this one you can see it just mounts right up to that bracket that will come included. So with that, it's really simple. You're just gonna line it up, mark the fender, and then drill those holes, bolt it on there. That's it. Very simple to mount this thing up. And like I said, the high fender kit, we have these for a lot of other dual sport bikes. We're really happy to see these now for the Yamaha TW200. So if you have one of these, this is a really cool upgrade. If you have questions or comments about these, we'd love to get those answered. So make sure leave those down below. To grab one, it's simple. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. The nice thing about the TW200 is that it has not changed since it came out way back in the late 1980s. So this bracket or this high fender kit is going to work for all years of the TW200. We also have a lot of other great parts and accessories for these, so make sure you check those out. So again, enter the year, make, and model on the webpage. You will see everything that will fit your TW200. Subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel if you want to stay up to date on videos like this, and you'll never miss out. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.